You can't get people to create content for your marketing team. And the reason why is because either you didn't make it easy, you didn't make it about them, you didn't give them a format, or there just was no prompt or anything for them to work off of. So many marketers make the same mistake where they ask this question saying, why is nobody creating content for the marketing team and for the company as a whole? Well, how did you ask them to create content for you? Did you say, hey, I need you to get this done because we need to get something posted? Because you just made it completely about the marketing team and no one's gonna respond. The cool thing about content is it is about the entire community as a whole. It's about the people that are a part of it, the success stories that are there. So why are you making it about the marketing team? When I want an engineer to be a part of what we're doing, the best way I do that is by saying, hey, you've done some incredible work. I love what you did on this new product. I want you to be a part of the launch that we're putting together. I want you to be the face of this because it is about you. You're the one who made this happen and we couldn't have done it without you. So I'd love for you to be the one showing everybody, right? How does that sound versus, hey, I need you to create content on this so we get something posted about the new launch, right? I'm going more towards the right side. And then did you make it easy for them? Did you just say, hey, I need content? Or did you actually look into the questions that they're gonna answer for you? Because if you just say, show me something about this product launch, as an engineer, they're not gonna know what to say. As a marketer, you know the strategy. And so what you have to do is ask the questions to get to the real fun piece that an engineer can talk about. Like diving into it, saying, hey, what do you like about this product launch? What was different from this, from the last product? And how hard was it to make that change? And as you start listening to the things that they say, now you know what they're passionate about. And so ask them questions that they're passionate about because that's what they're gonna do their best at. And guess what? When an engineer or somebody around your business says, I don't have the time to do this, it's because they're thinking, oh my God, what am I gonna say? What am I gonna answer? What am I gonna do? Imagine if you got the right question that they're passionate about and you just walked up with your phone and you said, hey, what makes this product different from the last with that change and how hard was it to make that change? You know, something specific to the passion. If you actually ask that question, they're gonna be able to answer that in 2 to 3 minutes while you're standing right there with a phone in front of them and make it that easy. As soon as you do that, you have content done. So that's how you're gonna get people to create for you. I'm done hearing I can't get people around my business to create for our marketing team because you're doing it wrong. You gotta make it easy for them. You gotta make it about them. You gotta give them a format, and we can help you do that too. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always answering on things like this.